part of the Crosley's toy party.
Never in my life seen something like that.
Speed and jump, watch,
Got a
speed and
camera
jump.
on it, everything.
Oh,
Whoa.
Daddy, can you ask me?
Daddy.
Today we have a red car to open, and it to move. My diamond, please help me open it. Guys, this is the scary.
Hey, that's got camera. He's doing that with his phone right now. $45, you can't beat that.
I want to do what is it?
So I'm going to show you how you jump in the box. I'm going to jump my case right there, you ready? You got the box right there, right? You can jump in the box right there. Ready?
Whoa.
Take it off. Yes, see it there.
Can you please buy
And you can go up to 300 feet range. And
Yeah.
look at this. Watch.
Does it film?
Yep, if take picture, watch. Big boy, come here. We're gonna go here, watch. We're gonna go to that chair right there, right? We're gonna go in here. Watch it. Okay, a bit closer. I'm inside table, see here?
Oh, wow.
See, I'm back here, you see here?
Where can we buy it?
See the lady? Look, she doesn't know where we could get. Look at this, she's panicking. Look at the lady's like, he's looking for us. We come back, watch. We come back
Where
here.
can I get one of them?
Yeah, we're gonna come to you and we're gonna do big jump, watch.
Whoa.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty, you can do a budget trick, you can make a spin like this. You can get a high jump, you can do a program, you can take picture, video, anything.
You're okay, hold on. You're doing good. Don't fall. Oh.
Come on!
Yeah.
That's the button, there you go.
Good.
Crosley won.
Oh.
It's hard to touch the line.
No, don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Do you see a rat in there?
Is it really flat?
Yeah, it's bullet holes.